How's it going, guys and goddesses? This is Akara, spiritual warrior number 1, video number 4. Okay, listen here, my fellow humans on planet Earth, from white race all the way to cold black race. Okay, we have been cursed by some warlocks. They cursed us. The warlocks that cursed us is the plastic industries. Okay, the plastic industrial complex has put a curse on our earth. Okay, we must rid our houses of everything plastic. That is a curse on the human race. Plastic is what is used to suffocate. Okay, you do not wrap your food in plastic. You never wear plastic as clothing. Okay, you never put plastic on anything. Okay, plastic is death. Plastic is suffocation. Plastics are the curse of the earth. Okay, so we must rid our house. We must rid this earth of plastic. Okay, so I'm Akara, spiritual warrior number 1. Okay, you had some sorcerers that placed a curse on us, that divided us, brothers and sisters, whether that be white, Asian, East Indian, Aboriginal, cold, dark skin, black, to light skinned niggas such as myself, excuse my French, okay? Negroes such as myself. I probably done messed this video up again, okay? Because I'm trying to keep everything clean, so I might have to go start off with video number 5, but the video is getting cleaner as we come along. But I'm here. I'm Akara, spiritual warrior number 1. Well, who I be is, I'm a magi, okay? I'm a magi. My ancestral roots go back to ancient Kemet, ancient Egypt. Okay, my ancestors prior to ancient Egypt come from South Africa. Okay, they're dark skinned, African, the Bantu people, as a matter of fact, South Africa. Okay, those are my authorities. Okay, and that starts with the Dogon tribe. That starts with the Bantu people of South Africa. Okay, my message is I'm here to protect my Bantu people. I'm here to protect the motherland of Africa. Okay, because I'm a middle ground Naga. Okay, see, I see a middle ground Naga. What that is if you ever watched the movie Blade, Blade is a vampire that can walk into the sun, and that's what I am. I am a vampire, just like Blade in the movie, that can walk into the sun. I'm a sun gazer, but I'm also a vampire. I'm a vampire that can actually stare into the sun. I go outside every day with my feet to bare earth and I stare into the sun, because that's how I talk to God. Okay, but I'm one of the few vampires on this planet excuse me, that can actually talk to God. As a matter of fact, if you're black, if you're mixed blood, if you're a cross blood, such as myself, like a brother like Ice-T, a brother like Busy Bone, or Bone Thugs and Harmony, we're cross bloods. Okay, what we are we're black men that we have the blood of the demon, okay, which makes us a vampire, but we can go outside barefoot and stare into the sun. That sun determines whether or not you can have a conversation with God. If you can go outside and stare into the sun, you can have a conversation with God, and that includes you, white brothers and sisters. Okay, just because you got blonde hair, blue eyes, doesn't mean you can't go outside and stare into the sun. You can go outside and stare into the sun. But see, your times to stare into the sun will be sunrise. Okay, you got sunrise until an hour after sunrise, and you got a sunset, which is an hour before sunset. You, my white brothers and sisters, the blondest hair, bluest eye, white brothers and sisters out there, y'all can stare into the sun. You just have to do it at sunrise, sunset, because at those point in times there is no UV radiation coming off the sun. Okay, see, you've been cursed. Okay, these demons cursed you by taking away melanin. Okay, now my white brothers and sisters that got brown hair, brown eyes, okay, you've been a little bit more blessed. Okay, you can actually stare at the sun pretty much any time because you have brown hair, brown eyes. The only problem is your skin may get a little damaged. Okay, you can cover that up with suntan lotion. Okay, but if you have blonde hair and blue eyes, the blue eyes doesn't possess the melanin. But guess what? You can still talk to God at sunrise, and sunrise to an hour after sunrise, and sunset an hour before sunset. You can stare an hour before sunset all the way to sunset. Okay? You can talk to God at those hours, man. So we're all God's people, man. Despite what we look like. Okay? And, suntan lotion is not a bad thing, man. It actually protects your skin. You know what I'm saying? Because you weren't born with melanated skin. So suntan lotion will be a good thing. But if you're going to get suntan lotion, make sure it's in a glass container. Okay? Don't use suntan lotion that's in a plastic container, because plastic suffocates. Plastic is the curse of the earth. Plastic is what's in that ocean, suffocating the earth mother. Okay? We have to get plastic. We have to put the plastics industry out of business. Okay? We have to start converting everything over to glass. Okay? Glass. You got to start storing everything in glass. All your food, all your seeds that you grow, you have to start storing it in glass. Okay? Glass is the cure to plastics. Metals is the cure to plastics. Metals conduct electricity. Electricity is what kills viruses. So the more metals and more glass that you have in your house, the more protection against viruses you will have. And here's another thing. Okay, see, as a magi that I am, okay, I'm also an alchemist. All right? Alchemist. Okay, an alchemist is not a chemist. See, I had to get trained in the science of alchemy. Okay, here's the thing. I couldn't go to college. See, I don't, a lot of people, well, where's your college degree and all that? See, here's the thing. There's no college degree for the science of alchemy, people. Okay? To get, magi, okay? To get magi, I got magi by the brothers and sisters. They call Elohim. They magi me, man. In order to become an Elohim, you have to understand the science of alchemy, not chemistry. Chemistry is based in the science of anything physical. Alchemy is based in the science of anything that's non-physical. Okay, I had to get the knowledge of the science of alchemy. And now, because I have the knowledge of the science of alchemy, alchem, alchem is what built the Great Pyramid. Okay, now that I have the science of alchemy, and I couldn't go to any college or any university to get the science of alchemy because they just don't teach it. So I've been magi, which is I basically got my degree, okay? And the brothers that gave me my degree fly the UFOs, okay? They're Elohim and Anunnaki. They gave me my degree. I've graduated. I got my hood. I've graduated in the science of alchemy. So I am a master alchemist, and my job here is to teach alchemy to the world. Okay, it's called, scientists today call it quantum physics. Okay, quantum physics means electrons become waves of energy. Waves of energy become electrons because everything's made of energy. Everything's made from the ether. And that's what the science of alchemy is. It's the study in the science of the ether. Okay, now that I understand that everything is ether, okay, I had to change my diet. Okay, I was on a Dr. Sebi alkaline electrical diet. Okay, I had to up my game. Okay, now that I'm an alchemist, okay, I have to convert all this foul food, all this genetically modified food. I eat it now. Okay, and let me explain to you why I eat it. My body now, okay, converts genetically modified food because I now have a static field. Okay, static field rewrites the genetic code. And when I eat foul food, I go outside barefoot and I stare into the sun. Now, if you look at my feet right here, I'm going to show you. You see. Hold on here, man. This thing don't want to work with me. Hold on. Hold on here, brother. Hold on. I gotta take this case off, okay? So I see what's got to happen here, man. So I can continue on talking to you, gods and goddesses, all my white brothers.